What if I told you that the most mysterious object in the universe isn't a black hole or a distant galaxy? It's sitting right inside your skull. The human brain weighs just about 3 pounds, yet it contains billions of neurons and trillions of connections. It's this tangled web of electrical signals and chemical reactions that creates every thought, every memory, and every dream you've ever had. But here's the real mystery. How do these cells and signals add up to something we call consciousness? How does brain matter create a mind? Consciousness is the feeling of being aware. The ability to say, I am here and I know I exist. Scientists break it down into 2 levels. Wakefulness, being awake and alert, and awareness, the rich inner movie of thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. When you see a red apple, your eyes send signals to your brain. But the question is, why does it feel like something to see red? That feeling is what scientists call qualia, the raw experience of being. Neuroscientists use brain scans, EEGs, and powerful imaging to peek inside the brain. They found that no single spot creates consciousness. Instead, it's a network. The prefrontal cortex, thalamus, and parietal lobes light up when you're aware of yourself and the world around you. One leading idea is the global workspace theory. Think of your brain as a theater. Millions of unconscious processes happen backstage. But when something matters, like hearing your name in a noisy room, that information gets pulled onto the stage where your conscious mind, the audience, can see it. Another theory is integrated information theory. It says consciousness comes from how much information your brain can integrate at once. The more connected the network, the richer your inner experience. But here's the strange part. Scientists can find brain patterns that match awareness, yet they still can't explain why those patterns feel like something. Why do electrical impulses in your neurons create joy, fear, or love? Even stranger, some patients in comas show brain activity patterns that suggest they might still be aware, trapped in silence. On the other end, advanced AI can process more data than we can, but it doesn't seem to be conscious. So what makes us different? Research on consciousness isn't just about curiosity. It has real-world impacts. Understanding awareness could revolutionize medicine, helping us detect consciousness in patients who appear unresponsive, or even restoring awareness after brain injury. It could reshape artificial intelligence, making us ask whether machines could one day truly think or feel. And it could challenge everything we believe about free will, the soul, and what it means to be human. At the heart of it, decoding the brain is more than science. It's a search for ourselves. We may not have all the answers yet, but every discovery brings us closer to understanding the greatest question of all. Why are we aware at all? So tell me, do you think consciousness is just neurons firing, or is there something deeper, something science hasn't touched yet?